This is part 6 in my series on the new era of hospitality digital marketing. Nothing, likely, represents more transformational change than the emergence of AI now and into the future. It's going to touch every aspect of hotel marketing and every aspect of hotel operations. Sadly, I don't have a crystal ball, and I probably can't predict every change that's going to be forced or accelerated through AI. One thing I can say, however, that many people in the hospitality marketing industry are focused right now on the small potatoes. We think of AI not as some super fancy writing assistant, but as the culmination of a data empowered marketing superhero. I want you to think about the definition of Moore's Law, something that's been famous for a long time. Moore's Law states that the speed and ability of computers doubles every 2 years. Every 2 years, the speed and ability of computers doubles. AI programs, speed at which they can train themselves, doubles every 4 months. In the 12 months that you just budgeted for, AI will double in power 3 times. Some predict that that is even slow and that it will accelerate further. This is transformation. And for many of you, AI is still thought of as a time saver, not a force multiplier. However, what you may not understand is that AI is alive and well in our industry at a data level right now. Assuming that data has been cleaned and is accessible to the AI resource. Performance Max campaigns through Google are a perfect example of this. Using AI intelligence layered on top of data, Google's able to optimize performance to your specific goals for those ad types. So what we know and what we see today is that this data empowerment, this AI data empowerment is happening at a platform scale. It's also becoming available at a property level. And by the way, yes, you can use ChatGPT to write blog. So gone are the days where data engineers are the go-between for information. Many of you have struggled with this in the past, especially if you didn't have a data engineer on staff. With AI, we've bridged that gap as an industry. I'll give you a few examples of what this means for you in 2015 and beyond, but you have to lean in. So I want to read this because I think that this is marketing nirvana. Marketers can slice up granular audience segments, help define customer personas, run predictive analytics, draft creative elements, activate and optimize across multiple platforms and channels, and measure results. This is directly from Snowflake's paper, The Modern Marketing Data Stack in 2025. This is the dream. From insight to execution to measurement to automation. The best marketers become this perfect question generating machine fueled with insatiable curiosity. Just imagine if AI, think about our core premise as a company, grounding in marketing principles. Imagine if AI allows us to return to our marketing principles, where we start with goals. Maybe the goal is to generate a 110 market penetration index on the STAR report. Hey, AI, here's my comp set. Here's past performance. Here's where everything's trending. My goal is to generate premium market share against my comp set. Then we identify strategies. We deploy tactics against those strategies. We measure results and we iterate in real time. Imagine if AI allows us to return to those marketing principles. It's empowering to ask questions of your data in a natural language. And very quickly afterwards, to challenge your marketing platform to optimize cross-channel to your desired outcomes. How many guests spent more than $500 in food and beverage in the last 6 months? What marketing channel is most efficient at selling suites for standard rooms? Want to increase your ADR? Sell more suites. How do I sell more suites? Ask AI. It's in your data. AI, like data democratization and data privacy before it, represents transformational change. If you get ahead of it, you can create an advantage for yourself that will last an entire career. You can build an impenetrable moat for yourself and for your property. And that's what e-commerce was built to do, to transform risk into opportunity, trend into advantage. Let me ask you this. Is your current agency bringing you this type of conversation? Does your 2025 budget reflect a changing set of priorities? Do you feel like you're on your back foot or you're leaning into this type of change? If you are an independent hotel that has worked so hard to create real advantages in your market, real advantages in your product offering, or maybe it's in your service, we're here to help leverage that into real bottom line performance. That is what we were built to do. For a free assessment and to learn more about what our capabilities are, please scan this QR code or feel free to reach out to me or any of my colleagues through our website or the information below. Thank you.